It's the genius.
So I'm here to do the contest entry for Songbirddiva4life's I guess the contest is pretty much show her how you wear your basic black dress or white t-shirt, and because I don't own a basic black dress, I'll have to do the basic white t-shirt. For this outfit, all I'm doing is wearing a pair of blue jeans, some platform heels, and my basic white shirt with the black tank top under. And to kind of bring it out a little bit more, I paired it with this red blazer. But yeah, so this is how I would wear my basic white t-shirt. Nothing spectacular. It's an easy outfit that you can wear either if you're going out with a group of friends or going out to dinner. It's just a casual outfit, and depending on what you wear as your shoes will determine if it's going to be dressed up or dressed down. So today I'm just dressing my basic white tee up with my blazer and my heels, and